I guess it's you, Art. Go for it. Demonstrate.
All right. So we'll demonstrate. So more stuff than this. We've actually. Maybe I'll show you that after I show you the board. So this is the first piece of work that we're doing, which is about metrics. And let's see. I think I can scroll back out a little bit, just to give you a sense of what it is that we're doing. And we're adding more metrics to this. We've broken up the metrics into three categories: Scrum and Kanban, uh, quality metrics, and value and business metrics. So those are the three categories. And we're still adding to them. We're not done. Uh, as you can see with Miro, we can do stuff and add things in like this, the links and things. So on the Kanban and Scrum, because we did a discussion and we found that all of the metrics that you can use in one, you can use with the other. It's all about definitions. So we finished the row on velocity, which you can see based on the number of cards in here and the fact that we put in information all the way up to here. Well, we didn't finish the row. We just got up to this point. We have a few more things that we want to fill out. We want to do some use cases. We can put in more references. And then we'll do cycle time, but we'll do that. I wouldn't do that without Marcelo because he's just going to come in and change it anyway.
Didn't hear that.
So that's what we're up to. Uh,
This is great. I like to drill in a little bit deeper.
Okay, we're taking applications right now.
We require 50,000 years of experience in project management. And
Yes.
Right. So we can
pay
say
$8 an hour.
right. So up here we we actually have a vision. Just as for Rick, this is for Rick's edification.
Nice.
All right. We actually have ideas about what it is that we want to do over here and what we want to do in the metrics and what the book is going to be for and all these things, why we're doing it. And looks like the topics. You know, we'll figure out at some point when we think we've done enough, and then we can always have version 2. The nice thing about the Miro board is that people can go in and do work whenever they want, whenever they have time. They don't have to be here at a meeting. You know, anybody can put in a card and add some information, and we can discuss it at our meetings.
I guess what I need from you guys, because this is going to be a presentation in the conference.
Yep.
Do you have like your overall, do you have, I guess, with the vision help for hey, this is what we're going to talk about, or?
Oh, for hey, what we're going to talk about? Well, actually, we'll have to create a blurb for you, because the topic for the conference is going to be metrics, but we may present what it is that we're doing with the view of the book as well.
Okay.
And our goal is to have actually published something on the metrics and before the conference.
Wow, that would be awesome. Then you can actually sign it. You can have the group sign it. Like, well, hey, you'll have a book signing.
Well, it won't be a book on metrics, but it'll be a paper.
Well, we'll have a paper and everybody sign it, whatever. Hey,
we
come over here
and do a signing.
Yeah, there you go. Hey, that's great. That's great. So any questions for Art?
See, we haven't needed a board because we actually have that first iteration here. As Scrum Masters, we're putting this together.
All right.
Eric,
Go ahead.
Al has a question for you.
I like that sticky that says font is not readable on my 20-inch monitor for the others. I resemble that remark.
So we had to. So it was interesting with Miro. So with Michael's guidance, we had to figure out that what happens is that you use a smaller font, and then when you want to read it, because this thing has so much flexibility, you just do this stuff, and you can and blow it up.
Yeah, zoom in, zoom out. Yeah.
So you zoom in when you want to read it, and then you zoom back out. And it has this other feature here down the left-hand corner where you actually, when we define, we build the areas, and then you can use this for navigation.
So you can jump to that area without having to reduce the board and figure out where is that area. Smart.
Exactly. Yes.
Cool.
So that's our show and tell for today.
I love it. Well, I learned something. Thank you, Art. And Michael.
So is that means you're not going to pay for the class, Simon?
Does that mean I have to pay for the class?
You don't want to pay? Does that mean you don't want to pay? So you already know what you want to know?
Oh, no, that's not true. And if I know everything, I would still want to support you. So
Okay, thank you. I love you, Saba.
I'll pay in Godwin coins. You know, I have plenty of those.
Yay, Godwin coins.
So how's the product team doing? Any update you want to give us over there on that side? Saba, anything on the discussions you guys had today?
Actually, I'm gonna let Andrea go.
Okay. Well, what we did today was discuss the presentation that we're planning to present in a few weeks to the community on a Wednesday evening. We just need to pinpoint that exact date when we're going to do that, but we are making progress. We have our slide deck, and we're just finalizing a few more touches to the app that we plan on releasing as we do the presentation, so everyone can get a chance to go in and view the app and provide us with some feedback so we could inspect and adapt and continue a continuous improvement process with the app. But everything seems to be going very well. And so that's what we worked on today.
Awesome.
That's exciting.
So for me, I had a chance to actually had a side note with Michael, and we did another clip. So I can't wait till we put that together. So I'm gonna reach out to each one of you. I want to have a small, just a 1 minute. I come up with any topic, and we just have a very comfortable conversation, right? So Michael, good job, and you will be seeing that shortly, hopefully, coming up. So this is our happy hour, guys. Anything we want to discuss? Open forum.